Alright everybody, welcome to South Georgia Motorsports Park here in beautiful, sunny, clear sky, South Georgia. They've been doing a lot of renovations lately, getting ready for some NHRA stuff coming up now that they're an NHRA sanctioned track. And one of the most genius things I've seen is this. For those of you who haven't been keeping up, basically they got these little duplexes, right? Little tiny homes that you can rent, right? And stay here, you know, instead of going back and forth to a hotel, or sleeping in your trailer, or sleeping in your car, like most of us media people do. This is awesome, look. This Pitts track, right here. Right here. This is the first one. Now they're gonna put a bunch more in. These are gonna sell out every event. Like electricity, hot water, shower. I mean, I believe there's a little mini fridge in here. Microwave. Now, apparently there's two options. That side over there is just a queen bed, I think. And then this side is, maybe they're both a queen size. I don't know. All right. Come inside. Gets real quiet. So it's pretty well insulated. Nice little window. You can sleep two crew. Or two crew. Or driver and crew. Or, well, you get it. You figure it out. Sink, running water, microwave, little fridge, and then bathroom with a freaking shower. Like your own little hotel room, but you're at the racetrack. It's got air conditioning, heat. Like, you can't beat this. You open your front door and you step outside and you're like, ah, racetrack. Let's do racetrack stuff. I don't know. You guys tell me below what you think. Is this a genius idea? Would you rent one of these? When you come here, are you renting one of these? Hey, if you're on the fence, man, I'm telling you, you're literally right here. All right, tell me what you think.